Thunderobot Storm 17 Review. Desktop power in a laptop? Stuck in the loop of lag, sluggish apps, and frozen screens while your focus slips away? Wasting hours rebooting, closing tabs, and praying your laptop keeps up is exhausting. That creeping frustration drains motivation and makes progress feel impossible. If your so-called gaming rig feels more like dead weight, you know the pain of unreliable tech stealing your momentum. Now amplify that pain. Projects stacking sky-high, streams stuttering, epic battles lost to frame drops, and stress rising like a storm cloud. Opportunities slip through your fingers while burnout lurks in the background. Each second wasted feels like losing a race you didn't sign up for. The truth? Weak hardware isn't just slowing you down, it's actively holding you back. The Thunderobot Storm 175070 gaming laptop flips the script. Powered by an Intel Core i7-13620H, 10 cores, 16 threads, turbo up to 4.9 GHz, and a GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, it delivers the kind of raw performance that bulldozes lag and ignites efficiency. The massive 17.3-inch QHD 2K display with a 165Hz refresh rate means you see every frame, every pixel, every victory in vivid, fluid detail. With 64 GB DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 2 TB PCIe SSD, you'll never fear load screens or storage shortages again. Run AAA titles, stream, edit, and multitask like a pro. Cooling? Covered. Dual 12-volt turbofans, 0.2mm copper fins, and 4 exhaust vents keep temps under control even during marathon sessions. One gamer shared how the Storm 17-inch saved their ranked match by staying cool and responsive after 4 hours of nonstop play, while their old rig would have melted down. Rugged build, RGB backlit keyboard, Wi-Fi 6, HDMI, and future-proof design make it more than a laptop. It's a portable powerhouse. Why do so many rave about the Storm 17? Because it feels like cheating at life. A pro reviewer called it surprising value, delivering RTX 5070 power without the premium markup. An industry analyst explained its position smartly as a desktop replacement for gamers who demand high-end performance without paying ROG-level prices. A tech influencer described the 17.3-inch QHD 165Hz panel as buttery smooth, a sweet spot for immersion and esports. And real users echo the praise. One gamer said, "This thing is a beast. The 2K screen is gorgeous, smooth as silk, and I can finally max out everything without a hiccup." A video editor shared, 64 GB RAM changed everything. I edit 8K footage and export in record time. The 2 TB SSD is massive. It's like a workstation I can carry. Community members recommend it as the upgrade that balances affordability, performance, and expandability. Cooling tech keeps performance high. RGB keys light up your style, and Thunderobot's battle-ready design screams durability. Ask yourself, how often do you find a machine that can crush AAA games, power your creative hustle, and still feel portable? That's why thousands call the Storm 17 their go-to upgrade. Limited stock won't last. Demand is already fierce. The Thunderobot Storm 175070 isn't just another laptop drop. It's the desktop replacement gamers and creators have been waiting for. Secure yours today before backorders take over. Why tolerate lag, stress, or burnout when you can lead with next-gen power? Don't hesitate. Act now, join thousands who've already made the switch, and claim your unfair advantage. This is your chance. Your win. Your Storm to command.